Well, there she is in all her glory. Um, my little 71 Duster that I picked up last fall. Had it almost a year now, just a little less, probably about 10 months or so. She was a garage queen, you could say, or what most people would consider a barn find. She was on jack stands in there too, covered in dust. Um, didn't look much like it does now. Kind of got the high school hot rod look going with the meaty tires. It just came with a little 14-inch wheels. It's just a little slant six car. 1970, as I said, first year for the Duster. Got a great deal on it. The guy had a bunch of extra parts, gave me some extra bench seats and stuff, but she was, pretty rough out back, but not too hard, hit up front. The interior's all there. Motor didn't run. The wheels were all locked up. They were all flat. Air valves were all cracked and rotted. The rear frame rail was rotted. The trunk was gone. But it was still had the interior. Headliner was still there. I had it, drug it home, fiddled around with it a little bit in the fall to get it running. That was about it. Took the keys out, battery out, just left it in the driveway all winter long. We're up here in Michigan, so it snows and the weather's crappy. This spring I started working on it, and had to put some quarter patches on it, and I've been continuing on forward doing some work, and just thought I'd maybe start documenting what I'm doing. Just going to be a backyard, average Joe kind of build, maybe a little worse, where, somebody who doesn't have a whole lot of ambition or drive to make things perfect, but make it doable, make a fun driver. I got a couple ideas for it. Have another car here that I've been working on for the last few years, a little Plymouth Scamp. Under there's a 340 that I'm starting on. She's got an 8 3/4 391 sure grip in her, but I'm starting to believe that, or I'm starting to think that, kind of like this guy better, and it's further along as far as a car that's ready to go. Well, not ready to go, but she's just much further along. The Scamp was a desert car that had a roached interior. This one still has the interior. It's got that wonderful old car smell to it, but it's not bad. It's just old smelling. Like I said, it looks great inside. Solid when the door's shut. Just needs a little work. I think I may just document the work that I do. And who knows, that 8 3/4 might go sliding up underneath this one instead, along with the 340. So I will, try to document that and see if anybody takes any interest in following along and laughing at my posts and offering advice or taking advice. I've been doing some patchwork, as you can see, here and down there, and I'll document some of that stuff. I have a little bit of it recorded, what I've done, so we'll get back to it. And we'll see if I can make a little channel out of this. See if I can get some people to watch and follow along and see where she goes. These Dusters look great with those fat tires on them, though, don't they? When they come from the factory, they were recessed under there so far. But you finally get a good set of wheels on them, and it really changes how they look. Instant hot rod. It's funny. But all right, yeah, this will be like my first video to throw up here and see what happens, and see if anybody takes any interest. I'll throw a few more up, see where we go from there. Thanks for watching.